Hello mga ka-explorer, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to turn on the dark mode of my Facebook account. And you can do it to your Facebook account as well. Okay, first, you have to click the three lines at the upper part of your Facebook account. And you will go to the settings and privacy. Okay, then we will look for settings in privacy. Okay, here click settings and privacy, and you will see the dark mode button. Click, then choose on. Okay, it's already in dark mode. We'll go back to my Facebook homepage. Alright, it's already in a dark mode. Okay, so that's very easy, guys. Thank you for watching.